Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to this episode of Forza Motorsport. We are going to race our first race in our 2018 Ford Mustang GT. I think it's a stock car. It's the one I was given. I had a choice of 3 when I started the game. Think I've set my graphics so that things look pretty good. And this is the Grand Oak Raceway Club Circuit. And it'll be my first experience going through the process. I believe you can practice. Let's just take a look at this here. Start practice, event. Here's the driver's list, series standings, the whole thing. My name right there, bjohn67. So, you know, points matter. All this stuff matters. So let's see how I go back. Close that. No, close that. How do I go back? So escape maybe? Yeah, escape. So car. I can tune my car. Okay.
Tuning is all about making small incremental changes to a car's setup.
Okay.
Testing them out on track during practice
So
and
tire
developing
pressure. I can do all kinds of stuff. So that's great. Not going to do that this first time out. Okay, so escape. Difficulty, I think I've already set the club rules as everything's the easiest. So settings, I shouldn't have to do that. Let's go ahead and start practice. That's that dorky suit that I chose by accident in my first video. Graphics are a little clearer already. So, oh yeah, you gotta love the sound of a Mustang. Woo! So let's do it. All right, practice, free session. All right, before each race where you get to know the track and level up your car with Car XP. You will earn credits and Car XP, just like when racing, so time spent in practice is valuable for building your skill in your car. Okay, so I was going to skip it, but it's a free session, and you get experience. So, okay, every practice session has a target lap time, which is based on your chosen difficulty. Hitting your lap time target will give you XP. It's a bonus and is a good indicator that you will be competitive in the race. All right, lap time. All right. So let's see. I don't think I'm even going to really pay attention to the lap time that I have to hit. I'm just going to go. Let's go. Let's do this thing. Oh, okay. Rear wheel drive. Oh, okay. Did not expect that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my steering wheel is spinning out of my hands. So, if you saw my first video, it was about choosing the Mustang for sure, no matter what, because I love it, even though it was rear-wheel drive. I'm not sure the other cars aren't, but oh, dude. All right, also paying attention to my oh my gosh. Okay. Let's just try to stay on the track, man. So I drive a 2016 EcoBoost, which is a 4-cylinder Mustang. I don't have this problem. I think I have 330 horsepower with a few upgrades, but I do not lose traction from the rear. I don't have that much power, so I'm gonna have to give this just a little bit more respect and not just man. Okay. Okay. I got a little XP for something. I'm not sure what for, because I'm not doing great, but I'll deal with that later. Right now I just need to drive. If I steer how I want to steer, the back end kicks out. So I need to steer less, or I need to change the settings in the steering so they're not so sensitive. Because I am Okay. All right. but I'm yeah. All right, so lap time. I have to be a minute 18. I was a minute 22. So, I mean, I think even with my crappy driving, I think this is just to see that I can finish a lap. Let's just do that. Let's finish a lap. Cuz I think I can hit 118.
We achieved our target time with that last lap.
Oh.
Great work.
Okay. Ooh. No. Ooh. Let me tell you what. This GT. So with an EcoBoost, if I've got about 330 horsepower, it came stock with 310. Upgraded some things. This one probably not quite 500 horsepower, but it's probably. Let's shift down here. It's probably close. It's probably between 400 and 500 horsepower. It's not a GT 500 or a Shelby, but it's still a GT V8. So here is where I have to take it easy in the corners. I can't just turn left like I normally would. Like, it's really sensitive. Like, woo, I'm just barely turning, which maybe is good, but it's not what my instinct says. My instinct says to turn more. Like, I'm barely turning. I'm not hearing what she's saying at all. It's okay, complete 3 laps. I've already done that. I'm good. Just trying to get a feel for the car. I don't know if I can race in this car like this. It's really tough. Unless I can go a little easier on the steering. Whew. The force feedback steering wheel is amazing. I feel everything. And when it loses traction, I feel it. And when I'm in the grass, I feel it. Oof. So, yeah, it's not an arcade game. I mean, but it's not quite a simulator, but I think it's going to be just enough of a challenge that it's going to be difficult. But I don't know if I can be on the track with 20 or 30 other cars right now. I can hardly stay on the track myself. Doing better, though. What I'm doing is following that line. And when I go into the corner, I'm not turning as sharply. I'm going to downshift there. This is the tight corner. Trying to learn the course a little bit. Tuck in. Yeah, definitely not losing grip as much. Whoa, right there I'm going to. I saw that coming. Oof, and there. So I wonder how much I can practice before I cap out on my experience. Car level 3. I mean, it's got to be good to keep getting experience, but practice ends in 7 minutes. Okay, so there is a limit, but I'm kind of thinking I should do the whole practice. So this video will be practice only. I'm not going to go longer than that. And for those of you who are seeing this for the first time and trying to decide whether you should buy it, just know that it's not entirely an arcade game, but I don't think it's going to be entirely a simulator either. That's it. I don't like that corner right there. That one's tough, man. So, and then down. I should have downshifted. So I mean, it's difficult, but it's not impossible. Okay, here I'm going to slide if I'm not careful. And, you know, wow. I think it would be worth driving one of the other cars, honestly. So I think I'm going to... Oh, hello. Yeah, I know I'm off the track. I just, I was trying to push a button, okay? So I thought I was going to see if I can switch cars. I can't. So, I mean, as much as I love the Mustang, it's really hard to drive. I don't know. I shouldn't have any penalties or anything, I don't think. I'm on the easiest level, but I either need to just take it easy or practice more or switch cars. Let's see. So my speed, I mean, it doesn't seem like I'm going fast, but it says I'm going 90. So I'm probably going faster than I think I am. No penalty, off track. Okay, 5 minutes of practice. Oof. Okay. And this is with the tires not ever getting bad on the easy settings. So if you were to play on a harder level where they actually get slippery, I think I'd be in trouble. So it's fun though so far, and this is just practice with no other cars on the track. So I imagine it would be a blast if I do when I do an actual race. And maybe I'll be able to handle it. I think I'm starting to feel a little more. Oh, and then the race starts? Oh, yikes. Okay. 5 minutes until the race starts. I'm practicing right before the race. Okay. Ooh. There's another car. I see another car out here. He's practicing too. Let's slow down. There's my least favorite corner right there. It's not fun. All right, let's go. See if I can catch these people. That would be a good goal. See if I can go a little faster than them. Let's go. Does not feel like I'm going 65 miles an hour. I think the biggest thing is don't be like giving it tons of gas while you're steering very sharp, and it's going to spin you out. I'm just going to stay in fourth gear. Go. Oh, that's a little far outside. Oh, yes, that was way too far outside. Okay, yeah, that was awesome. Oh, I went up a car level. Let's see. How do I go reverse? Reverse. Like that. Okay. Brake first. Go. Okay. All right, that's interesting. Well, there's the practice session. I have mixed feelings whether I should try a different car or actually try to race in this car, but come back during my next episode and we'll do a race together. So we'll see how that goes. For now, Mr. Johns is out.